Greetings, travel enthusiasts from around the world. After our visit to the smallest nation, San Marino, our journey now shifts to Gubbio, a charming medieval town in the heart of Umbria. This will be a quick and brief exploration, one I'm truly excited to share with you. Let's begin.
Upon departing from San Marino, we traveled south through the regions bordering Marche, eventually reaching Umbria. The journey spans approximately 105 kilometers and takes nearly 2 hours to complete. We then arrived in Gubbio, a historic medieval town, where we began exploring the sites that await us. This brief journey takes us to the medieval town of Gubbio. At first glance, one can observe the white Catholic church known as Chiesa di San Francesco, a structure that bears a striking resemblance to the Alamo in San Antonio, Texas, USA. Notable attractions include the Logge dei Tiratori, the Monumento ai Caduti, also known as the Monument to the Fallen, and various other landmarks scattered throughout this historic town. At this point, we are engaged in a leisurely walkthrough of the area. I also greatly enjoyed savoring the truffled tagliatelle pasta, a highlight of the visit. Overall, the trip to Gubbio was indeed a quick yet memorable experience. Gubbio, often referred to as the City of Stone, is situated in the northeastern part of Perugia. The town is renowned for the Festa dei Ceri, celebrated annually on May 15, and is also commonly known as the City of Madmen. Gubbio is distinguished by its impressive monuments, historic architectural structures, and limestone buildings that vividly reflect its rich past. If you enjoy exploring medieval towns in Perugia, discover what makes Gubbio both significant and rewarding to visit it.
Throughout the day, we successfully explored Padua, the third largest city in Veneto, San Marino, the world's smallest nation, and Gubbio, a medieval town in northern Umbria. Ahead, we look forward to even greater discoveries in Perugia and Assisi, both located in central Umbria, before continuing on to Rome, the capital city of Italy in the Lazio region. This journey south through Italy has been truly wonderful. I eagerly look forward to sharing more Niko-ventures, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on YouTube. See you later, and stay tuned for my upcoming travel vlog.